Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So the last topic we have seen yesterday is customized SQL procedures, no? Yeah, everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir, you are able.
Yeah, we have seen the execution of customized SQL queries and procedures. Am I right?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, so now let's today start with have you seen the CDT long back? Copy data to
Yeah, the starting only you have taken.
Copy behaviors.
No,
Okay. Okay, so now we'll start with the copy behavior. The case study. Okay, the case study. And the next one is title. Okay, the title of the case study. The case study and the title of the case study. So guys, I'm using it. Copy behavior. Copy behavior. What's it? Copy behavior. Copy behavior. Whereas the copy behavior is a copy activity. The copy behavior is a copy activity. The copy behavior is a copy activity where this is a sync level, whereas this is a sync level activity. The following are the behaviors of a copy activity. What are those? I'll explain you each one of it. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, recursive, true, recursive true plus preserve, hierarchy.
I think this topic has covered on 25th April.
That's what I was thinking.
25th April it was there. And recursive plus false plus preserve hierarchy, recursive false plus flatten hierarchy, merge files, right? Is that true?
Right. Same.
That got covered on 25th of April.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need to look into this.
That's what I was asking. Anyway, so no problem. It is already covered.
Can
then-
we look into key vaults? Yesterday we discussed it, right?
Okay.
Key vault.
Yeah, keyword. We'll look into this, the pipeline audit log. The key vault actually having some issue here. Yesterday, issue in the sense the role assignment, some issue is there. I'm just sorting out on that, working on that with the Microsoft. I'm just in touch with it. So we'll see this pipeline audit log. Okay. So guys, let us start with the pipeline audit log. Pipeline audit log. Okay. Pipeline audit log using the stored procedures. Activity. Okay. So guys, I'm giving you next one. In continuation with the above, that is called as a pipeline audit log using the stored procedure is a name. Okay. So I'm using a design. What we are doing it, guys, everyone. Design pipeline. Design pipeline that captures audit log that is nothing but what's it, design pipeline that captures the audit log. Okay, that captures the audit log detail. So basically, guys, everyone, what we are doing it today here is designing a pipeline that captures the audit log. So what in the audit log? That is the log details, guys. Log details. Whenever you execute a program, whenever you execute a program, by default, the log will be generated for every program. Am I right, everyone? The log generated, basically, can you see here? The log is generated for every pipeline run. So though that particular, that particular, what is it? We have it, guys. That particular, that particular, that particular, that particular guy, that particular audit details, we are going to capture it. We are going to capture it here. Okay. Okay. We are going to capture it. We are going to capture it, guys. Okay. We are going to capture it. So for that, what is it we want? So I'm using what's it? A design pipeline that captures the audit log details. Okay. So whatever the log is generated, whatever the log is generated, okay, whatever the log is generated, whether your pipeline is successful or having any error, all those things. Whereas the data, whatever you're capturing it, that will be in which format here? Unstructured format. It will be in which format here, guys? Unstructured format. So that you wanted to capture and store it in a structured format. In which format here? Structured format. That is in the form of a proper table. I wanted to store it in the form of a proper table. That's it. Okay. So for that, we are using this audit log. Okay, guys. So, and now why those log details are required to be, why the log details, okay, required to be captured. Yeah. Yeah, why the log details required to be captured?
For structured
For basically, yeah, log details required to be, yeah, log details required to be captured for auditing purpose. Suppose you have compiled 1,000 pipelines. How many pipelines? 1,000 pipelines. Okay, 1,000 pipelines you have compiled it. Okay, so now you wanted to know the status of each and every pipeline in a separate table. You wanted to see the status of each and every pipeline run. Okay. Uh, you can see the status of each and every pipeline status in a separate table here. So, or separate in the form of a table you want it. Okay, separately you want in the form of a table. So what we can do is we can capture the details and transfer the data to a database or a normal table. Database table, we can transfer it, or else we can also transfer the data in the form of a file also. It doesn't matter. It makes no difference. Okay. So basically, okay, pipeline audit log details used to capture the audit log details of a pipeline, where the audit log details consisting of the name of the pipeline, the duration of the pipeline, start date of pipeline, end date of pipeline, or start time of pipeline, end time of pipeline, whether the pipeline succeeded or you have any error. All these details are captured, are placed within the, yeah, are captured or placed within the, what is that? Audit, within the audit, or we can say within the log details, within the log. And those we are capturing and storing it in the form of a database table. Clear, everyone? Hello? Yeah, guys, all of you, please tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's go ahead now. So guys, I'm writing some important points here. Design, design pipeline with one or more, design pipeline with one or more activities. Yes, guys. What's it? The second point being here, capture the execution details, capture the execution details, or we can say capture the execution log details, guys. Okay, log detail means what? The data will be in unstructured format. Okay, into database table. Now, guys, the third important point again, say, what are the details you want to capture for auditing purpose? No. The first one, the details, what is it I wanted to do? ADF name. Tell me now, when I say ADF name, what type of data it is? It is a character or numeric? This guys, everyone.
Character.
It's a character. Yeah, it's a character. Basically, it is a character. So now, guys, when you have this one as a character, we can say what's it? ADF name is varchar 50. Okay. ADF name. Okay, ADF name is what? The name, whatever you are using it for the ADF, that will be captured here basically. Okay. So immediately you wanted to capture the next one is what? Pipeline name. Okay, you want to give the pipeline name. I'm giving it in one line. Okay. Pipeline name, and the pipeline name is also varchar. Guys, next one, tell me now. Okay, then you have what? Pipeline run ID. Varchar. That means every pipeline, guys, whenever you submit the pipeline, okay, to the integration runtime IR, it generates the run ID. Am I right? Every time it generates the run ID. So that is called as what? Pipeline run ID. Separate run ID will be generated for each and every execution of the pipeline. Am I right, guys, everyone? Hello? Then you have what's it? Rows, read, rows read. That means how many rows read? Rows written. So now tell me what is the data type for this int, and for this, what's it int? Rows written is 5, 10, like that. Okay, guys, everyone. Hello? Are you there, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one, what is it I want? Copy duration. That means copy duration. Copy duration means what? INT, copy duration. That means the amount of time taken here. That means what is the duration of the activity? I can say start time, okay, end time, date time is a data type. Status, whether your pipeline is succeeded or whatever you have it. 50. And the 10th one is the, guys, everyone, the last one right now. Error message. That's it, okay? Guys, everyone, see here. These are all the minimum details I wanted to capture it. Apart from this, you will have many more details also. But now these are some minimum details you require to capture it. Okay, you require to capture it by using the by using this activity. Okay, so that is something but called as what? ADF activities. That is called as what? ADF activities. So we are going to capture the log details, and now whatever the log details generated, those will be in which form? Basically, all of them in the unstructured format, not at all in the structure. So what I wanted to do is we wanted to capture them in whatever the format we have it, but we want to convert them in proper database table. In the proper database table, we wanted to convert. Okay, guys, everyone. Hello,
Yes, sir.
following or not? Please tell
Yeah,
me.
yeah, follow.
Yeah, following.
So now, so for that, basically, guys, reading the data from all these, okay, and writing it into the that is nothing but in the proper database table. We are using the stored procedure. We are using what's that? Stored procedure, and also with the help of the automatic variables which are already available in the system. Okay. Now, guys, I wanted to write the specifications based on this. Okay. Guys, I'm using source data storage Azure blob storage. Okay, I'm using the file. Which file I wanted to use it? Airlines. When you transfer this airlines.csv file, at the background, it generates the log details. Those log details I wanted to capture it. Okay. That's the reason I'm using it here. But some data has to be transferred. Then only it will generate the log. Am I right? Sync data storage. Sync data store. And the sync data store, I wanted to make it here as a Azure SQL database. Table. So guys, the table I wanted to create it here. Airlines. Okay. And the next table I wanted to create it. Audit log table. Or we can say audit table. Audit log. So guys, everyone, clear now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So these are the details you wanted to capture it. So let's go ahead. So I'm starting with the practicals now, everyone. Just go here. So I'm just erasing it off. Just put the control.
You can't see your screen.
It's coming. Okay, now.
We are seeing a notepad only.
We're still in notepad only, select.
Yeah, no, it's
Yes.
So open
Got it.
this. Okay, guys, the first one. Now, guys, again, use it here, resource group. Click on the create. And now, guys, simply create the resource group. So I'm using audit log RG. Okay. So click on the review. Click on the create. Open this. Leave it as it is. Now, the next one you have what's that? Azure Blob Storage. No, see here. Azure Blob Storage, and next one is SQL database. So blob storage means as it is you created. Click on the create. So guys, just a minute. Come down and now provide the details. So I want what's that? Source audit log. Click on the create. The blob is ready. So meanwhile, I'll go to this database and start creating the database. Select the resource group. The database name. server name. Now guys, use the authentication and give the name here for the authentication. So Durga admin. So for the server, I wanted to give the Durga admin as a name of this, and the password is a normal password, whatever we use it. Now click on the create. Sorry, previous. Select the pricing tier, guys, as well. Just click on the basic tab. Sorry. And select the pricing tier. If you don't select the pricing tier also, no problem. It will take the default one. Just to save the cost, I'm using it, okay? And select the networking tab, public endpoint, allow the firewall settings. Review and create. Refresh it to make the process faster. Meanwhile, I think my source is ready. Go to the source, guys, everyone. And now from the left to blade, click on the container. New container. Click on the create. Open the container and upload the file. So which file you want to upload it right now? Tell me, guys.
Airlines.cs.
Yeah. So the airlines.csv, when you upload it, and when you try to transfer it into the sync system, it generates some log. That log I'm capturing it. So that basically select it, upload it. Finished. So meanwhile, the database is being prepared. Just a minute, guys. It will be done faster. And meanwhile, okay, guys, the database is also ready. And now the next one is just log in here. Fine, everyone. Resource group. It's ready. Target. And next one. What's the next one you have, guys? You
Create
start with the
area.
data factory. Yes, start with the data factory. Now click on the new. Now guys, instance, audit log. Click on the create.
State
So redeploy it. No problem. No. Launch the studio. Okay, guys. So now I'm not using the desktop application called Azure Data Studio. I'm directly connecting it to this database using this query editor window only. I'll write everything here itself. Okay. Expand. Now start with this. Tell me now, how many link services do you require it right now?
2 linked service.
So yeah, exactly. Very good. So use it here. The first link service is for the blob storage. ls underscore blob underscore source. So select it here. Select it here. Click on this test connections. Click on the new. And now here I wanted to use it for the SQL. Select it. As it is, use the name here. ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync. Select it here. Target DB. Come down. Provide the name here. Succeeded. Click on the create. That's it. Now, next one is go to the author. Hmm. Okay, guys. So now, let's go ahead here. Once it is created, what's the next thing you have to do? Tell me now. Generally, creating a data set. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
But before we create a data set, let's prepare the database first.
Yes, sir.
We don't have any tables right now. Do we have any tables? No. So I wanted to create the table here. I don't want to use an auto create option. I want to use a create a table here. Okay. I wanted to create a table. For that, I wanted to capture the details. So for that, I have already some script is there. I'll just run the script. Okay. So for that, I'm just going here ahead here. Just a minute. I'm having a script of this. The whole script is there, no problem. So now, first of all, let's create a table here. This is the table of the airlines table. Just put the control here. First, create it here. Okay. So now, guys, that's it. Now we have it. Run this. Succeeded. The table is created. So you want to see the table? Guys, everyone. Select star from airlines. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. And now once it is the detail, we have created the same. Okay. Next, guys, all of you, I wanted to, yeah, okay. So this is nothing but the target table. So that means the target database, I want to create the table here. Next is audit table, guys. So audit table, you have details here. Can see here. I'm using the script already. I have it. If I'm just running this, create table audit log. These are the details. All this I wanted. Put the control here. Now, guys, these details already I have given here. Am I right? The all details. Can you see here?
Yes, yes.
That's it. Run this now. Now, anyways, this is ready. So, guys, can you see here? I'm just using it. Select star from what? Guys, select star from what? Audit.
Audit log.
Very good. See here, ADF name, pipeline run ID, row ID, rows return. Okay, rows read, copy duration, start time, end time, status, error message. These are all the things created. Now we have to provide the values. So now, guys, the values should be entered here dynamically. The values should be entered here what? Dynamically. Am I right, everyone? So for that, guys, I want to enter the values here dynamically. For that, I'm creating the, guys, I wanted to create a stored procedure. For that, I'm using what's that? Stored procedure. I'm using what's that? Stored procedure. I'm using what's that? Stored procedure, everyone. I'm using the stored procedure, everyone. I'm using the stored procedure to enter the values dynamically. With the execution of the pipeline, automatically the values should be entered. So guys, same, I'm creating the stored procedure. So guys, use it here, everyone. I'm using create procedure, same, okay. As begin the body. Okay, insert into. That's it. I'm using it, everyone. Fine. I got everything here, guys. So I'm just doing what? Create the stored procedure. SP I'm writing. SP means what? Stored procedure. Okay. So create procedure USP underscore audit underscore log at the rate means what? I'm defining it with a parameter. Okay. At the rate varchar 50. All the 10 values I'm giving it here. As begin means what? The body of the procedure. There is a business logic. As begin. Insert into, that means I'm inserting the data into this audit log. Okay. Values, and these are the values at the rate values. Okay. That's it, guys. So run this. Everything is done now. Okay. Guys, everyone. I have created the stored procedure. I have used the insert the values in it. And then finally, what is it I want? Tell me now. Yes, guys. Everything is ready now. Fine.
Hmm.
As it is. Let us do it. Now come back, everyone. Pipeline. Okay, now guys, go to the pipeline. Just a minute, all of you. Oh, now guys, go to the Data Factory Studio. All of you. The link services already we have created, guys. The next one, what is it you have it? Everyone is clear with this? What I have done it here? Guys, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Now, guys, go to the data set and create the data sets.
Sometimes same this type of store procedure we create in GCP also, no?
Yes.
Okay.
The same SP we can use it for GCP also.
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm using the first one is the blob. Only the implementation part you should know, guys. The rest of all the things are common in all the clouds. DS underscore. So use what's it? Blob underscore. Source. Select the link service. First choice the header. Browse it. Input. Airlines.csv. Click OK. Second, create the new data set. First choice the header you have not selected. So guys, again, what said you have it selected? New data set. So I want to create it for SQL. Use it here. DS underscore SQL underscore sync. Select it. Since you have only 2 tables, guys, I want to choose the airlines, because this is a table actually which has to be done captured here, and the all details of this will be sent to the audit log table. That's it. Okay, click OK. That's it, guys, everyone. Okay. Fine now. So go to the pipeline, all of you. Click on the new tab, move and transform. Now give the pipeline here. PL underscore, sorry. Audit log. That's it, guys. Select it here, everyone. Now select the source. Now, guys, here you have it. Your one file now. So you can use it as it is, no problem. Select the sync. Select the sync data. That's it. Now, guys, tell me now. So all these details, whatever the stored procedures we have entered, where you have it, we have in the, what is it? You have it in the sync. Am I right or not? Can you see everyone?
Yeah.
So I'll do one thing now. Till here I'll run this. Simple. I'll run this. No worries. I'll run this normally. So I think it will fail because of the mapping. If it is passing, then it's fine, guys.
It's failed.
Because of the mapping, nothing else.
Yeah.
Import.
Import.
Okay.
There we go.
No problem. We have to typecast it. Now succeeded, guys. See here. All of you. This details I want to capture it actually. All of you. Data read, file read, rows read, okay, start time, okay, duration, all this details. So this is what it is, a structured data or unstructured data, guys? Hello. Is this the unstructured or structured data? Tell me now, guys, please.
Unstructured.
Data I wanted to capture it. Getting my point? That's the reason we have it. Okay. So anyways, guys, this is the procedure. We have it anyways. So we have not started with this procedure still yet. So still it will take more time. So we'll just see this tomorrow. Okay. So guys, tomorrow we'll have the class. Is it okay now for all of you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
can we do it on Monday?
Monday,
Yeah, that's fine. If it is tomorrow also would be fine.
It's your wish. If you people are comfortable, okay. No, else. Anyways, I have the class at normally 9 o'clock. So if you people are ready, I'll just wake up and start up. That's the only thing. Or else, till Monday. It's up to you guys. If you want, we can continue tomorrow. Or else, if you don't want. Hello.
Okay, Samir, it's okay.
So tomorrow you shall?
Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Brother. You can complete it anyways. No? That's the reason. Till Monday you may forget the things. So we'll just complete it by tomorrow.
Good, Samir. Thank you, Samir.